Hello everyone, I am Anish Kumar. I completed BTech Rubber and Plastic Technology in MIT Anna University and I passed out in the year of 2020. After that I worked in a core company in Haryana, Rebel International Limited. In core I didn't get enough salary and also I didn't get enough experience to explore myself. So after that I quit the job and started preparing for government examination. In that examination I cleared some of the prelims, but still I couldn't make it to mains. So I tried to get into IT, but when I searched for IT, my friend gave me a suggestion to join in Arich Infotech. In Arich Infotech I joined mainframe system administration course. In that they teach me very well, and it took me 6 months to complete the course. Along with the technical skills, they also provide soft skills, and also they helped me to prepare for the interview with the help of mock interviews and also resume preparations. When they arranged the interview in DXC technology, I got placed. With the help of Arich Infotech, I got the job. If you guys are searching for an opportunity in IT, whether you are graduated in IT or non-IT, you can join in Arich and you can gain technical skills, and they will help you to get placed in IT. And I thank you once again for giving me the opportunity.